Hi, my name is Hitesh and you are watching Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. And as I always say, below is my web homepage where you can access much more details about me and can find out the way to get a feedback to me. Now in this video we will look at something very different which is being introduced out in the Kali Linux, that is known as the psnuffel. Now psnuffel is really a good script which can help you to get into the system without actually seeing that system is vulnerable or not. Now whenever the data travels into the medium like ether medium or wireless medium, there are some ways to sniff around with the data. Now psnuffel is one of them. So it actually sniffs off the wire data, and it actually works just similar to the dsniff if you have worked on it. If you haven't worked on it, there is no such worry. The working of psnuffel on the Metasploit is really simple. For present support, it has got POP3, IMAP, FTP and HTTP GET method, but really important what we have got right now here is FTP. So if somebody is trying to log in with the correct username and password onto the FTP on that particular server which we are pen testing, what we can do, we can run the psnuffel, and once the credentials are being sent out on the wire, we can simply grab that and can find out some things on it. So the usage, I'll tell you how to use it in this video in the Kali Linux. So what we are going to actually have, we are going to use this auxiliary sniffer, that is psnuffel. Although there are lots of other sniffers as well available out there apart from psnuffel, but I found it really useful and new one out here. I can do a show options and you can find out that nothing is being required, although you can set your interface, and I will recommend that all the time. So once you have done that, you can simply hit a run command, just as simple as that. Once you will hit the run command, now here you can simply see is that it is sniffing the traffic. Now once anybody is trying to log in with the FTP out there on the server on this particular network, you will simply grab the password out of it. Now it's really simple. Now let me get back from the psnuffel. Although I can search for various other sniffers and can find okay, so here are other sniffers as well, and one of our favorite one, psnuffel, is out there. Also there is a capturing for SMB, and there is a Aura NTLM stealer is out there, which is also a good one, and also there is a description which is not out being there in our screen. So anyways, so this was quite interesting example of psnuffel. Now make sure that you can also extend the psnuffel usage by yourself by getting into the programming and coding stuffs, but I'll be discussing that in the later part of our video series. And right now I hope you have got quite a lot out of this information gathering and have understood that information gathering is really much valuable as we have thought so far. So let's with this, let's end up this video and let's check out what is there in the next video for you. So thank you so much for watching.